So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for always coming back. To my returning subscribers, I love you all. Thank you so much. I appreciate the support and the views so far. And if you're new watching me, welcome to this amazing family. My name is Anita. I make content based on personal finance, anything money related, self help, self growth tips. So, if this is the kind of content that you will love, kindly watch this video till the end and subscribe to join my amazing family. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I do hope to have you join us also. Today, we will be talking about this time and age where the prices of things keep skyrocketing. I mean, the cost of food, of rent, of our electricity, water, our basic living expenses increasingly becomes very high because of inflation. And with our salaries also staying static for a very long time, as prices of things are going up, our salaries are remaining the same. And so there is the need to find a way of earning extra income, because if price of things are going up and your salary remains the same, there's no way you are going to be able to foot your bills of food and electricity, transportation, fuel, whatever expenses that are very essential for your daily living. And so in this video, we will be talking about multiple streams of income and the importance of it. I mean, I know of a man who, before he got married, had one source of income, okay? And that source of income is what he still had, married, had children, and is still having even up until now. The business was very good at the beginning, and so it was able to take care of him and his wife. And then when the children started coming in, children are very expensive. You have to take them to school, look after them. Children are expensive. They require lots of money to take care of them. And so as time went on, this business of his could not support. So they had a lot of difficulties uh, and challenges in terms of money, in terms of finances. And so you would not want that similar situation, because some businesses are seasonal. There are some businesses that no matter the time and era, because it produces products or services that are always in demand, like food. We're always going to eat. And so if you're in a business like that, you always be in business. But even with the food, let's say if you have a farm, okay, and you plant different crops, every crop in the season that it comes. And so it's the same with business. Some businesses are seasonal, some businesses have very bumper harvest particular seasons, and then they are not able to they don't have much as time goes on. Particular period after the bumper season, business becomes slow and all that. And so you need multiple streams of income, whereby if this particular income is not able to serve your needs or footing your bills for this particular month, you have another source of income that will be able to do that job for you. Because mind you, whether you have money or not, you still need to eat. You need accommodation, a roof over your head. You need basically a lot of things that you need to survive on. So there has to be that constant cash in or cash flow of money coming in every month, no matter what, no matter whether you have a bumper harvest or not. So I'm here to encourage you to have multiple streams of income. Diversify your portfolio of earning income from different sectors and industries. Like probably you have a business in agriculture, in tech, in oil and gas, in communications, like having a business, working in communications, or having passive income coming from tech companies and all that by buying their shares and all that. So it is very important that you have multiple streams of income, different ways of earning income. That way you always have cash coming in to be able to sustain you and your family. So even if you have a 9 to 5, you are employed, you still need to have another extra side hustle. Look around you. There are a lot of problems everywhere, especially in Africa, our parts of the world. And so when people are complaining about um, a particular problem, see it as an opportunity to solve it and make money. So there is money all over us. You just need to open your eyes, and then you recognize a problem and solve it. So the more you solve different problems in different sectors, the more you earn money. So one salary is not enough in this time and era. Even if you are married and your wife also has a salary, two salaries are not enough. You need multiple money coming in from multiple different places, from different streams, to be able to comfortably live the life that you want with your family. So if you love this content, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and share. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section. What are your thoughts so far about this topic? Kindly subscribe to join my amazing family. Thank you, and thank you for staying tuned. See you in my next video, and do well to watch my previous videos. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.